greetings everyone. This is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. The Oxford Gazette, which was later known as the London Gazette, holds the distinction of being world's oldest surviving newspaper. It was first published in 1665 and is still in circulation today, primarily as the official journal of record for United Kingdom. So without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. You are 83, how long will you go on? Ajit Pawar said. To which Sharad Pawar replied, you still need my photo and symbol. Thrice we decided to go along with BJP, uncle backtracked, says Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar on Wednesday personally attacked his mentor and NCP leader Sharad Pawar by saying that he is 83. When will be he resigning and giving the next future generation his blessings? In a statement which could ruffle the feathers of Eknath Shinde, Pawar stated that he had been Deputy Chief Minister 5 times and aspires to become Chief Minister to lead the state. Ajit Pawar also stated that NCP wanted to coalesce with BJP government in 2014, 2017 and 2019. But Sharad Pawar backtracked. Yet, when Ajit Pawar joined BJP, he was signed out as the villain of NCP. Recently, Sharad Pawar claimed that he had had talks with BJP in 2019 only to expose his hunger towards power. I was the one to suffer because of your googly, Ajit Pawar said. In a direct reference to the succession battle which pitted him against Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule, Ajit Pawar mentioned that what is my fault if I was born in someone else's house? Alliance with BJP will not end well for the rebels, says Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar on Wednesday accused BJP of double standard and Ajit Pawar along with his teammates of opportunist behavior. He clearly attacked his nephew on personal level. Despite of whip, the senior Pawar has planned by only 15 of his 53 legislators at the meeting. 3 more are said to have extended support but were not present. In his 1-hour speech during the NCP meeting, the leader seemed unaffected with the rebellion and said that the real NCP is along with him and he needs no one's support to lead his team. He said the alliance with BJP will surely be proven to be a misadventure for his former colleagues. Pawar said these legislators must recall history. In states where BJP has created a decision to split or join along with other parties, the government has always failed. In Punjab, where BJP was rejected, Aam Aadmi Party was accepted. A similar situation was seen in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Bihar, says Pawar Sr. In his complete speech throughout the meeting, Sharad Pawar was challenging Prime Minister Modi and accusing him of double standards and hypocrisy. He said, none other than PM Modi alleged that NCP members were involved in rupees 70,000 crore irrigation scam. Yet, few days later, NCP members are shown in Maharashtra's cabinet meeting. In Baramati, Modi stated that when he entered politics, he took guidance from me. But during his campaign, he had made serious allegations against me. Missing Bikaner girl and female teacher who eloped, found in Tamil Nadu. A 17-year-old girl in Rajasthan was reported missing along with a female teacher a week ago. From a small town in Bikaner, which raised the allegations of love jihad, but were found in Chennai in Wednesdays. 2 days later, a video was released in which they were expressing their love and appealing for peace. Bikaner IGP Om Prakash told Times of India that police team assigned to look for the teenager and his alleged partners stayed in various cities for weeks before landing up in Chennai. The girl will be brought back to her hometown and her statement will be recorded before putting on police press charges, if any, on the teacher for forced marriage, kidnapping and conspiracy. The parents of 12th standard girl reported her missing on July 1st after she left for school at 7:30 and did not return the whole day. Besides the teacher, FIR has been filed against her two brothers which appeared to be conspirators in this whole case. Sources state that the teacher's family also filed a missing report the same day when the girl's parents filed complaint in the police station. Several right-wing organizations claim this case to be an interfaith relationship resulting to love jihad. That's it with all the front page news. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.